Namaste bachcho, this is Miss Meenakshi here and today I have brought another poem, Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost के बारे में हमने पहले भी फर्स्ट डस्ट ऑफ स्नो में पढ़ा था. He was a modern era के poet थे and he was both a poet and a playwright, used to write drama, है ना. And Fire and Ice is also a notable work which was published in 1919 or 1920, in between. So one thing you have to see and notice here is that this poem is of 9 lines, right? The earlier one was of 8 lines, so it is an octave poem, and this one is a 9-line poem, so mean it is a Spenserian poem, which is Spenserian stanza. And Spenserian stanza was discovered by Edmund Spenser, who was a great poet of pre-Renaissance period. So this poetry, the rhyme scheme is AB, AAB, CB and CB, right? So let's move ahead to the poetry segment. So some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. So यहाँ पे the poet, what is he trying to do? He's trying to draw comparison between two different prophecies. है ना, vision उन्होंने देखा है, उन्होंने कुछ देखा है जो बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसानदायक है धरती के लिए. Prophecy of devastation you can say, or you can also say ultimate doom. है ना, which we can also say as a apocalyptical scenario, right? So basically this poem highlights human emotions about all the human beings that are residing on the earth, their emotions, their work that lead to destruction. So by fire the speaker means desire. Fire को उन्होंने desire से compare किया है. This is a metaphor. And वो जानता है कि फायर से कितना डिस्ट्रक्शन हो सकता है ना. और फायर एज इन ये नहीं कि आग. उन्होंने कहा है कि फायर जो है वो एक टाइप ऑफ ग्रीड है, बिकॉज हम ह्यूमन इमोशन को कंपेयर करने वाले हैं इस पोएम में, है ना. तो ग्रीड होता है, लस्ट होता है, हेट्रेड होता है, छल कपट, ये सब कुछ जो लोगों के बीच पनप रही है, that is killing humanity, that is making humanity endangered in some way. So this creates hatred among one another. So it's very apparent that human greed is letting the globe sink someday, somehow. So this is what it means, right? Fire, तो वो कहता है कि वो फायर को फेवर करता है. मतलब अगर धरती को ख़त्म होना है तो वो फायर को फेवर करता है, क्योंकि फायर इतना हानिकारक है कि धरती को अगर ख़त्म होना है तो ह्यूमन इमोशन जो मैंने अभी बताया था, मैं दोहराऊंगी, ग्रीड, लस्ट, छल कपट, हेट्रेड, ऑल ऑफ these are more than enough to finish the earth, to let the earth sink, right? Moving on to the next